guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a wig from iSeeHair, and if you don't know iSeeHair by now, take this as your sign to go and look into their brand because they are killing it in the wig game. So they sent over their new build a wig, like it says let's build a wig with block. So I think it's like block build a wig. I want to get like the actual for sure name. So I have the ISEE Block Wig. Silky straight is what I have. So let's get her open. And the packaging being so super duper pink like this is just so pretty to me. I'm like really excited about this. So I have the ISEE Block Build a Wig with Block R and B. B is for base of block. R is for replace. So you can replace damaged lace with a different color, a different length, or a different lace size. I've been wearing wigs for so long and I just know I've never seen being able to replace part of your wig. Like, that's crazy. And the human hair wig at that. So this is clearly the lace closure that is going to go in the front of the wig. You can see the zipper piece right here on the back, which is going to attach to the rest of the wig. This is the second piece. Okay, this is the back piece, right? Yeah. So it's adjustable back here with a thick band at that. It has thick adjustable bands in the back to get it to fit your head right. It has a comb in here, and yes, this is removable. You just push it down. It'll come out like so if you want it to be removed. And then this is the zipper part here that will zip to that closure piece I just showed you guys. So it has a zipper right here. It's so stinking cool. And then there's a little like hook right here. I'm pretty sure you could probably hook this piece into. So this is block R, which is the replaceable part. So this R type is a 13x6 HD lace. It's a 24-inch. Oh my god. And this is like good quality frontal, like thin lace, blended lace, bleached lace. Oh, and you can see it has that zipper part there as well. So if you are feeling frontal vibes, they got you on the frontal. So we have two options here for a straight wig. We can have a closure or a frontal. I'm like screaming internally. This is crazy. And the last piece in here, I believe it's just stuff to help you install your wig, and it is. So you have an ISEE melt band to go inside of your wig to make sure it fits, and they give you an HD wig cap. Like, look at this packaging. This is crazy. And then some lashes if you like falsies. I feel like I want to end the day with a closure, so I'm gonna start off with the frontal first and install that. So let's zip this up. See how that. Here's the frontal. And here's the back part of the wig, all straight texture. And you look here on this end, and that is where the zipper starts. And then here's where the zipper starts here for the back of the wig, and this is the frontal. So we're just gonna go ahead and connect these two like you would on a zipper jacket. Just gonna do it that way. And then right here at the front or at the back, they have a string in there, so you can just pull it and get your wig to zip up. Just hook it in so that way it stays. You can do the other side the same way. We have a whole straight frontal 24-inch wig. Okay, let's install her. Before we do, the wig also has skin lace, so it's gonna blend into your skin really well. They call it their ISEE skin lace instead of like the traditional lace. And what I like so far, the zipper is invisible and seamless. Like, even when you run your hand through the inside of the wig, you don't feel it, and from the back you don't see it. So that's nice that they constructed the wig so well that the zipper isn't going to be affecting you while wearing the wig, and even from someone else viewing it from their viewpoint. And since they're transferable, if your wig gets damaged, you could just buy a replacement piece to replace it in the front. You can do the block R, so that way you have the option of getting different lace front or lace frontal. Let's do the wig cap first. Let me bring her around and brush it. Okay, hair is finished. I think we did a pretty decent job. So this is the final look with the lace frontal, but if I was to damage this frontal, I could easily switch it out with the closure, and you can buy a replacement. Just purchase the Block R and you can get it for a low price since you're just getting half of the wig. Can we speak on how seamless this looks? Like, you would not even be able to tell that I have a whole zipper going across my head right now. Like, I gotta let y'all see like a full 360 view so you can see that you don't see any zipper wear. I'm just saying, like, that's tea. Like, this looks good. I got enough forehead showing, because sometimes I be trying to minimize my forehead, but I think I got it looking good now. Okay, so this is with the frontal install, right? I made sure we got bone straight hair since this is a straight textured wig. I feel like it has a natural density. It's not very high, like it's not super full. And I feel like when you have straight hair, you don't want it too full and you don't want it too thin. This is like the perfect mix right here. It looks good. I'll make sure y'all see like the full length here. See how long it looks. 10 out of 10 so far. I really like this. Let me find out. iSeeHair, y'all done did something with this. Okay, now we have to do the closure, and I love a good closure, so I'm really excited to do the closure. Okay, easy takeoff. Just take that zipper loose, and now we have removed our frontal. What I like about this closure is that it already has my adjustable band there, my elastic band installed. Added the closure on now, same process. And we're just gonna install her. And I feel like this is gonna take a lot less time. Frontals are a little bit more work. Closures, they're usually a lot more simple because there's less lace to work with. Should I do a side part? I think I should do a side part because I did a middle for the frontal. So we're gonna do a side part for Right, and then here is the final look for the side part with the closure, and I have this on completely glueless, by the way, y'all. No glue. All right, let me zoom out so you can see this final look. And again, the zipper is seamless and invisible. Pretty pretty. I don't normally wear side parts a lot, but I actually really like this. Alright guys, so that finishes up today's video. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'm going to have the direct link in my bio below. Thank you to iSeeHair for sending this unit over. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.